Okay, boys and girls, this is the Geo Tracker, or your Tonka toy truck, and I got it hitched to the Wight Potter Masasa, and I'm working on it. I have the mast off the trailering pin that you can see up there, the mast step. Well, actually the mast has a bracket and it gets pinned there for trailering purposes. And the purpose of this video is just to give you an idea of the boat and the keel problem. So you see I have the Florida registration, and now I'm going to walk in between my boat and the pontoon boat next to me to give you the back view of the boat. And that's the Yamaha 4-horse that I just had worked on by Dr. Dave. Did a great job. Very reasonable pricing. And so here we go. I'm inside the cabin, and this is the keel, the drop keel. You'll see the blocks, and it goes, obviously, a cable to that block, down to that block, all the way to the winch, and that's the winch handle at the back of the cockpit. So here is the problem. You can see that this is sorely rusted, horribly rusted, and you can see that it is rusted inside the trunk, and my job is going to be to loosen that somehow. And the first plan of attack is going to be if I can get this other side. So at this point I've been using a scraper, a painter's tool, and I'm about to use a small pry bar. For your viewing pleasure, you will see that I can move the trunk by pulling up on the lever, or the pry bar I should say. And what I have done is I have done this, and I have shot. So, progress. I have made a cabin support out of this 1x2, or 2x3 rather, I'm sorry, 2x3. And other good news is I can move the keel. People, good news, we have movement. You can see that I have moved the keel in the right direction up and all the way around. You can see about an inch, I think. And you can also see, I don't know if I can do this in video at the same time, I'm moving it, and it's a pain doing it by yourself because I have to go out, tension in the winch, come back. Well, I'm not calling it a victory yet, but look at all of that brute force on the winch due to my ability to do that with the cabin support. But just look at the rust coming out, and look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up as best as I can all of that and see if I can find, oh yeah, here's the holes. The holes that you use to put the keel down. Okay, people, as proof of today's handiwork, I give you the drop keel is fully retracted into Masasa. Fully retracted. We've got other problems we got to deal with, like how to get the debris out of the trunk